Hello, and thank you for downloading our 2020 Holiday Toolkit. In this video, we are going to review the process by which you can sell gift cards through email. Yep, you heard me right. We're going to help you sell more gift cards by featuring them through the Snap Retail product widget. I briefly covered this in our virtual and in-store holiday open house video, but in this video, we're going to go way more in depth. My name is Zoe Sadler. I'm the Vice President of Marketing here at Snap Retail, and I'm so excited that you are joining us here. That means you are raising your hand. You're saying, I need help. I need to make this my most successful Q4, and I'm going to do what it takes to preserve my business during these crazy coronavirus global pandemic times. So let's jump right in. A little bit about Snap Retail. We were founded in 2010 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but we help independent retailers all over the United States and Canada. We have helped these small businesses learn how to effectively market their stores online, stay connected with customers, and ultimately generate more traffic and sales. And we do that through the Snap Retail software. Now, that software is accessible with just one login and password. And it's going to feature all of these tools and templates to save you time and make your online marketing easier. Things like templates for emails or autoresponders, as well as email collection forms to have more signups on your Facebook page or from your website, as well as hundreds of ideas for social media with a planning calendar so that you can set it and forget it. It's agency level marketing for small business in just a few clicks. And that's what we're going to focus on here today is Snap Retail and how you can use our templates and tools to sell more gift cards through email. So first things first, join Snap Retail. If you are not already a current customer of Snap Retail, we encourage you to sign up for a free trial. All of the templates and the product widget that I'm going to feature here today are exclusive to Snap Retail. So even if you're on like MailChimp or Constant Contact, you're not going to be able to build your emails exactly like what we're showing you here today. So join Snap Retail so that you have access to all of these handy dandy tools. Then from there, once you've got your Snap Retail set up, then we need to set up your payment option. PayPal or your own e-commerce options. If you're with a website, not with a website, we'll make sure that your payments are set up correctly so you can start to get more cash in hand by selling these gift cards through emails. Then we'll walk through how to select your email template or create your own, how to then edit that email template to include the product widget, the thing that's going to sell that gift card, and then lastly, all of those final steps to make sure that your email has the highest chance of deliverability. That's what we're running through here today. If you have any questions over anything I review through this through this video, feel free to head over to snapretail.com, chat, email, call us with questions. We'll walk you through anything one-on-one. All right, so you've signed up for Snap Retail, whether that be as a current customer or you're on our 14-day free trial. You now have access to the Snap Retail tool, and our next step is to set up payment. Now, we have two payment options for selling through email. We have both PayPal, or you can always link your own website if you have a fully robust e-commerce website. Option one, PayPal. This is a great option if you have not set up a website or you've not set up e-commerce yet. Just because you don't have a website doesn't mean you can't sell through email. The one thing about PayPal, however, is that there's no notion of inventory management. So let's say you sell or you send out 300 emails to your customers. In that email, there's a PayPal product widget where you're selling your gift card. If all 300 of your customers open up that email, they click that buy button, that means you've got 300 PayPal sales. There's no notion of after 10, shut off that product widget. It's going to just continue to let them click and make that purchase. So it's one thing of note with this PayPal product widget. It's great for things like gift cards and services where there's no limit to the number that you can sell. But just keep that in mind. If you decide to do PayPal product widget for things like specific inventory. There's no notion of it's sold one, now I have, none left in my inventory, so I can't sell additionally. In your My Account section of Snap Retail is where you'll set up that PayPal. I'll walk you through that on our next step here. But we do also have an option if you already have a fully robust e-commerce website. You can also use that product widget to send traffic straight to your checkout page from your marketing emails. That is not set up in My Account. It's just something you directly link to through the email editor. So those are your two options, PayPal and your own website. This payment setup is so important because obviously that's how we're going to start to collect that cash. Okay, so from here, we're going to actually jump into Snap Retail and show you all of the steps of how to sell your gift cards through email. So I'm jumping into Snap. If you have never seen Snap Retail before, welcome. This is our software. Again, just one login and password. We're going to run through this as if we are selling gift cards through PayPal. So let's set up that payment option that I just reviewed. We're going to click on that little person icon, hit the account button, and this is going to bring us into the My Account section of Snap. This is where we keep all of your store information. This is where we link to your social accounts. And this is also where you can select your e-commerce type. Now, here is where you would put your PayPal merchant ID. That's your unique code that's specific to your business. That's how we know where to send that traffic. That's how we know what PayPal to connect to. That's how you start to get those sales coming directly to you. So make sure you have your merchant ID, you paste it here, and it's going to turn green, showing you that you're successfully connected. It's that simple. My Account, and then paste your merchant ID here. Now, the fun part. We get to jump up into our templates section in Snap Retail under this email tab and select our email template. From the Snap templates, you can see we have over 1,000 email templates built specifically for you, the independent retailer. So maybe you're on a tool like MailChimp or Constant Contact. They have a limited number of templates, and they're also trying to be all things to all people. So those templates aren't specific necessarily to your brand, your business, or even retail. Well, in Snap Retail, we were built with you, the independent retailer, in mind. So all of these templates, yes, you can customize, edit, and tweak, but 80% of the work is done for you with beautifully designed images, as well as some powerful copy to hopefully translate to the most sales for your business. You can see here our featured templates are based on relevant upcoming holidays, things that are happening based on the time of year, but you can also search these templates using keywords or going into our specific categories. For example, I can see I've got 92 templates here for Christmas, and we add new templates every single month. I am going to select to send a Small Business Saturday template out. So step one, I select my template. You can preview any of these templates here by clicking on that little eye icon, but I'm going to just jump right into this Small Business Saturday email template, seeing as Small Business Saturday is coming up very soon. So now I'm into step two, where I get to send my email and create and customize my message. In this email, on the right-hand side, you're going to see a preview of your email. On the left-hand side, you see all of our widgets. Those are elements that you can add into your email, and they're all customizable. So if I wanted to edit anything within this email, I can click over here on the right-hand side, and I can add, delete, tweak, whatever you need to do to make this template fit your brand and your business. So instead of using the suggestion here of 3 images, I'm going to click on those image widgets and delete them because I want to sell a gift card through this email. You can see here as I delete, that item is just going to fill up the row and replace where I deleted the others. All right, so now we've got this template here, and I want to sell a gift card through my Small Business Saturday email template. Awesome. So I grab from the left-hand side from this menu my product widget, and I drop it over here to the right-hand side. I'm going to see a green guideline show up. That's showing me exactly where my product is going to go. I drag, I drop, and then I click to customize. This is like a form. You fill it out from top to bottom. So I want to sell a gift card. Let's just type that up here. I can change this text. Maybe I want to, change the different font. We have a lot of different font options. I can change the color. Maybe I want it white, bold. I can make it bigger. I could jump up maybe to size 18 text. I can add an image that's going to be featured. Here you have a ton of different options. Not only do you have hundreds of stock images, again, retail specific, but you can also always upload your own or pull in images from your Instagram or Pinterest. I'm going to choose a file. I have my downloads, I believe. I've got my gift card image right here. I'm going to add this gift card PNG into my email. I now have a gift card, and just continuing to work down this form, I could add a description here. Maybe I want to make sure that maybe I want to add an expiration. I won't bore you all with, typing out all of the details of this, but you can see how I just work this form from top to bottom, and I have all of my editing options. Now, this is where I add in my price over here. Maybe I want this to be a $25 gift card. I have some customizing for weight or tax override. That's more for if you're shipping out items, things that you need to actually make sure you get your shipping costs correct. And then I can make this buy now button. I can change my color. Maybe I want to make it bright turquoise. Maybe I want to make it gold. You've got options. You've got ways to customize this email to build it specifically for your brand, your call to action in mind. And then I hit this complete button. You can see here it's going to save that email, auto save, and now I've got this gift card directly in my email. When I schedule this email to send out, my customers are going to receive it. If they hit that buy now button, they're going straight to my PayPal checkout. They make that purchase. You get that notification that they made the purchase, and then boom, you've made a sale. So you can see how easy it is. It's truly just a drag and drop of this product widget and then filling out that form from top to bottom. So again, maybe I want to do a gift card, and this one I want to make $50. You can see how you just add in maybe my other image. I could add in a description again. This one's now 50. So someone could buy one for 25, or they could click this one and buy for 50. So simple, hitting that green complete button. And now you're really starting to build a beautiful looking email, and you're going to drive some traffic. You're going to build your brand, and you're hopefully going to end up with some purchases because of this product widget directly in your email. Now, if you're going the route of using your own e-commerce, there's going to be an additional area in that product widget form, that widget that opens up here to the left, right at the bottom. Currently, I don't have it because I'm set up for PayPal, but right under here, it's going to ask for that specific URL, that specific link to your shopping cart where you can send and direct that traffic to your website. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for your customers to make a purchase. You want to send them straight to that checkout page so that there's no way they can abandon. They've only got a couple of clicks to get through to make that purchase. Alrighty, so I would customize this email, obviously changing my fonts just a little bit. Right now I've got 2 different colors, making a few more tweaks. Then I encourage you, send yourself a test email. Make sure those links work. Make sure everything looks good. Our templates are mobile responsive, meaning that they will be flexible to fit any size screen. So no worries about that. Once you've confirmed that test email looks good, we hit that schedule button, which brings us into our third and our final step here in Snap Retail. In this step, I get to add my subject line. I select my send date and time. I can choose my recipients, check this email for spam, and also share this email to my social media networks. So maybe I want to say Small Business Saturday. I can put in my subject line here. And then maybe I want to say something like gift card, promo. You can use personalization here, include someone's first name. You can use emojis. Maybe I want to include a little gift, a cute little emoji. Oh, I don't have a gift. Maybe I have to search for present. There it is. Okay, we got to get a little gift emoji in there. You can see that in this email, it's telling me that I have invalid URLs. That's because we're actually checking, making sure that all of the links are going to work in your email. There's nothing worse than sending out an email campaign and realizing you accidentally mistyped the URL. We check all of those links. This one is saying it's invalid because this is my practice account. I don't actually have it set up to a correct PayPal. So it's just nice knowing that we're here for you as a double checker, making sure that everything's good to go. So don't pay attention to that. You should not get that error message, just specific to my trial account here. But I do select my send date and time. This is where I could select my email list. Who do I want to send it to? And then I can check this email for spam. Again, we're triple checking, sharing this also to social media as well. When I hit this green finish button, which I'll go through that process, we'll hit this, we'll schedule this to go out on the 16th. Maybe I want to send this out at 7:53 a.m. We typically see higher open rates earlier in the morning. I hit this green finish button and it's going to bring me into my calendar. My planning calendar here shows me all of the campaigns that I have scheduled to go out through Snap Retail. Like I said in the beginning, it's as if you've got an agency here behind the scenes working with you. We've got all of these templates. We've got all of these ideas for social media. We want to make it so simple for you. In just a couple of clicks, you can start to drive more traffic to your business. And a great way to start is by kicking it off, selling those gift cards through your email. I can see that email is scheduled for 7:53 a.m. and it's pending here. Beautiful looking email. I can hit that close button and it'll bring me back to my calendar. So it's as simple as that. To recap, in Snap Retail, once you get set up, you're going to want to connect either your PayPal in your My Account section or grab your e-commerce website link for that product widget. Then you select your email template. There is always the option to create your own as well. In those email templates, everything you can adjust and tweak to fit your brand, fit your business. From there, once you've selected your template, you drag and drop that product widget into your email. You could add 1, you could add 5, you could add 10. Maybe you decide you're doing a gift guide and you want to break it up into different sections. Gift guide for mother-in-law, gift guide for husband, all of these different sections, and you've got those products organized by category. Just brainstorming here, but really what you need to do is just drag and drop that product widget into your email, and then you're at your final steps. You add in a subject line, select your send date and time, and hit that green schedule button. It's that simple. In just 5 steps, you can start to sell your gift cards through emails. If you are curious about the inner workings of Snap Retail, if you're feeling overwhelmed by anything I discussed here today, we are here for you. We know that these are some crazy, unprecedented times, and we have to do business a little creatively. And things like selling gift cards through email may be something new that you want to try. Head over to snapretail.com. Sign up for your free trial. We also are offering free online marketing consultations. We're here to walk you through our software. We're here to strategize. We're here to brainstorm. Any questions you may have, head over snapretail.com, raise your hand, ask for help. We're here to support you. We're here to make sure this is your most successful Q4 yet. With any questions, visit our website, and we hope you enjoy the rest of our 2020 Holiday Toolkit email and